So right here we have a 2021 Nissan Altima. This is the Platinum Edition. And this also is an all-wheel drive edition too as well. So I want to show you the complete view of the car. You get your 19-inch aluminum wheels right over here. Like I said, the Nissan Altima, your Platinum, with the badge on the back, all-wheel drive. The headlights are also LEDs, 19-inch wheels, go all the way around. You also have your camera right here, 360 bird's eye view. It's on both sides of the mirrors, on the other side as well. You also got the turn signals too as well. That's what you get on the Platinum Edition. LED daytime running lights as well as fog lights right over here. Very similar to the 2020 design. We go up to the MSRP sticker. It's a 2.5 liter V4 engine, 182 horsepower, 178 pounds of torque. You got your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Then you also have your Sirius XM, Nissan Connect services as well. You have all the safety features involved on the car too. Go ahead and check out the MSRP sticker. $37,075. That's what these go for nowadays. The 2021 edition Nissan Altima Platinum all-wheel drive. Back side, take a look. Your leather seating in the back. You also got your charge port, your Type C and USB right down here. An air conditioner in the back too. Plenty of space in the sedan. It's a lot bigger than the Sentra. And you also got the Altima badging right down here, which makes it look kind of nice. Turn on the car. Your ProPilot Assist right over here. You also got your intelligent cruise control. Nice big infotainment system. AM, FM radio, Sirius XM. You also got your Bluetooth. Play around with it right over here. You also get Wi-Fi in this car too if you sign up for it. Got your dual air condition down here, heated seats, heated steering wheel, which makes it nice in the wintertime. You're not missing out on that. You also got an electronic parking brake, makes it the luxury feeling over here. And you got your connections down here, your Type C, USB, and your aux cord. So I want to show you all the insides and outsides of this car. Nice leather wrapped steering wheel as well. You also have memory seats, which is nice too. You have 2, 1, and 2. Blind spot warning over here. And you also got a nice sunroof at the top as well. So that's in the Platinum Edition, you can get that. I'm gonna take it out for a spin, see what it looks like to drive. And show you the Altima. Take it out for a drive. All-wheel drive edition. Let's do it. On the seatbelt. Go through the safety features one more time. Driver's assistance, your steering assist, your emergency brake, your lane departure. You can always turn these off and on, which is kind of convenient. So if it doesn't make sense for you to have them on, you can always turn them off. Your blind spot, your speed limit sign, your parking aids, rear cross traffic alert, driver attention alert, timer alert, low temperature alert, and chassis control. does have pretty good pickup for 188 horsepower for a V4 engine as well. Now you also got the Bose speakers. You can see that too right on the dashboard. Don't want to get copyright though, so I'm gonna turn it off. You got the blind spot right here, as you can see. It also shows you the fuel economy, 26 miles a gallon. That's always helpful. Your compass too. And you also have the maps too on the GPS. So that's what that looks like. Sun in our eyes right now. Alright, we got a random chair in the middle of the freeway. Show you the camera real quick. Got 360 camera, your backup camera, as well as your front camera. Put it in reverse, backup camera. Put it in drive, you got your front camera. So you have a camera on every side, every corner of the car. POV test drive of the car. Hope you like this video. I'll show you the car one more time on the outside. 2021 Nissan Altima Platinum Edition. LED daytime running lights right in the front, as well as the fog lights. In a white color, call this pearl white. That's your double exhaust right in the back over here. Comment down below what other kind of cars you want to see. I have access to pretty much all the Nissan cars, almost all of them at least. Let me know what you guys think, what other kind of cars you want to see. Thank you for watching.